Hello, welcome to the today I have unearthed the 13 most incredible examples and use cases that change the way you view image manipulations and animation. Stick around a fascinating journey into the world of visual storytelling. Let's dive straight into the magic. Picture this runway motion brush, a groundbreaking tool that allows you to animate specific parts of your image, control the directions and speed of the movements with ease. Curious about how to get started? It's a breeze. Just upload your image, click on the motion button, and starting animated by brushing over the desired area. Feast your eyes on these mind-blowing examples. Witness the seamless animations brought to the life by the motion brush tools. It's simply a pie. Shout out to the SpaceX for these stunning images. The still image created with Midjourney AI coupled with the animation using the motion brush tool is just an extraordinary. I have got to emphasize the precautions of the motion brush is impressive. The ability to animate image with such accuracy is truly a game changer. Is not the exciting? These examples are just the beginning of an incredible journey for storytellers and creative everythings. If you are thrilled about this as I am, don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating insights and tech revolutions. In until next time, keep exploring and creating.